What is up, guys? I am Tort, and today I have my first review from those 4 pickups, and today it's the Adidas Young 96. So this is what I would call the cheapest dad shoe you could buy. And by dad shoe I mean something like the Nike Air Monarch, the shoe I couldn't think of in that video. There's a New Balance. I'll be throwing pictures up. I don't know what exactly the model number is, but there's a New Balance shoe, even like the Yeezy Wave Runner. So we would consider that a dad shoe, even though that's high-end, more $300 to $500. This was $26, so I'm gonna go with the cheapest dad shoe you can buy. Now, as you can tell, it does retail for $99.99. If you guys can see that on the tag. I was able to get this on discount. I think from Finish Line is where I got it. And this is basically the triple white colorway. So there are hits of other colors. There are different, the midsole is a different color, so it's not all white. There's some off-white, there's some gray. So we're gonna go ahead and do the full review. I'm gonna do it on foot and show you guys everything. So here it is. This is the Adidas Young 96, and this is an absolute dad shoe in my opinion. This reminds me of the Nike Air Monarch, just the Adidas style. Honestly, this also reminds me of the Raf Simons Oswego, and possibly maybe the ZX Flux in the back a little bit. That's what this shoe kind of reminds me of. There's a little hair on there. So yeah, on the side, I'm going to show you what you get with this shoe. On the side, you see this little hit of like gray. This is not tumble leather, but kind of like cheap leather on the side here. And then the 3 stripes, this is also leather. So that's not bad over there. You get kind of like an off-white. Actually, maybe this is more white, the midsole, because let's see it with the light. This is more triple white, and then the sole is more off-white. I don't know if you can tell the difference. This is like a cream color, and then you got the white all over the midsole there. On the toe box, you got like the synthetic mesh. Now, I wouldn't use this shoe or consider this shoe for working out or running in this. This is more of like a lifestyle shoe. So definitely don't get this if you're trying to work out in them, because this is not a workout shoe at all. Then you got your hit on the tongue, the Adidas logo, in just like a little plastic window basically. Looks like a little, yeah, a little like, you can hear the plastic window there. It's nothing too special, just a little gray on the tongue. Going around the other side, the medial side I guess you could say, it's absolutely the same thing. You got the tumble leather, the cheap leather. I don't even know if that's tumble, honestly. This is just cheap leather on the side. It breaks apart here and then goes back around the toe box. So this shoe is great for what I got it for. Now, if you guys are looking for a $100 dad shoe, I don't know. I would not spend $100 on these. I also wouldn't spend whatever the Monarchs cost. I wouldn't buy those. Honestly, the only dad shoe I really would pay money for is the Yeezy, I think it's a 700 or Yeezy 500, the Wave Runner, whatever the Wave Runner is. That's what I would get, but also that's $300 retail, so it's kind of hard to justify that when you can go ahead and get this dad shoe for $26. Now, I did get these on special. I don't know if they're still on special, but if you guys get these, make sure to go half size down. I didn't look at reviews before I purchased. I just went true to size, and I should have gone half size down. So these are 9.5. I should have went 9. They fit a little big, and they're gonna be fine if I put on like thick socks. They'll fit fine. And if you don't want if you want to undo this factory lace and tie them tighter, they'll be fine. I like how the factory lace looks. So I'm just gonna have to wear like thick socks or something to make them not swim around. Like my feet are gonna swim in these. So go half size down from your normal size when you get shoes like this, or get these shoes exactly. The Young 96, you want to half size down. So here we go. That is just a quick little review. I'm gonna do it on foot for you guys and show you how these look. They're clean. They're clean. They're gonna get super dirty. I do have some Crep Protect that I will be spraying on these. These are gonna get dirty. You guys don't want to wear these out in the rain or when it's wet out. You just want to wear these when it's dry and sunny, because these will get dirty. The midsole is gonna get super dirty. Obviously the sole underneath is gonna get killed, but that's normal for shoes. I'm just worried about the sides, honestly, and the toe box. So You definitely want to spray these if you have crep. No plug there. I have 4 cans still from years ago. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Adidas Young 96 full review. Not too bad. Looks pretty good on foot. If you guys enjoyed this video or want to pick these up, I'm gonna put a link down below. I don't know if they're gonna be on sale, like how I got them for 26. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get them for that much, but I'll put them down below, and hopefully you guys can get them for cheaper than 100, because they're not worth 100 in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching. @Tort6Os, Instagram, Twitter. Comment down below if you enjoyed this review, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace!